Okay, so hi once again, this is Yas, and this is the second part of my oDesk tutorial so that you may be able to understand how oDesk works and how beneficial it is. So right now, I am going to, well, teach you on how to sign up on odesk.com. So we're going to make an account so that you may be able to start working on odesk.com. Although the process is still very long. I mean, of course, you have to accomplish a lot of things before you may be able to work on odesk.com. So right now we are going to make an account. So just click the sign up button on the upper right corner of your screen. I'm sorry, my internet connection is quite slow because I am uploading the first part of my oDesk tutorial. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so right now I'm going to teach those who wish to work online. So there are options here. I need a freelancer, so this one is for the clients in case you're a business owner and you need some assistance virtually, so you'll choose this option. So if you wish to look for a work, you have to choose this option, the I need a job option. Okay, so just click sign up. Okay, so you have to key in your name. So 2 seconds, it's still loading. I'm sorry again, I'm sorry for the okay. So here, the first name, for example, you are Thalia. Thalia, Thalia, what's your last name? Thalia Santos. Your email is YouTube tutor, yes, at gmail.com. I am from the Philippines. Okay, so that's my chosen username. Actually, I've already signed up here. So this tutorial account. So basically, as you can see, the username is already taken, but actually it's mine. Okay, so for your password, of course, like on any other social media sites or any website that require an account, you have to make sure that you will choose a password that is very hard to decode. That is, of course, to protect yourself, your money, or whatsoever. So, of course, your password should not be shared to anyone. That is why my password is, of course, I won't mention what my password is. Okay, so how did you hear about oDesk? Well, I hope you can, choose yes, mention me about odesk.com. Unfortunately, it's not. So let's just choose. Okay, let's just choose blog or forum. Okay, type the letters below. Of course, this captcha code is to ensure that all the people signing up on odesk.com are not spam bots, as what is being mentioned here. Okay, so of course spam bots, although well, some spam bots are actually capable of decoding these captcha, but of course, just to add protection, odesk incorporated uh, odesk used these captchas or these codes to ensure that again that only humans sign up on their platform. Okay, so just click get started and then you are in. Okay, so I am going to pause this YouTube tutorial for a bit so that I can open my account and then I can share with you all the information and the other things you need to accomplish in order for you to start working on odesk.com. Okay, thank you and have a great day ahead. No, I won't be ending, just posing. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, so we are signing in. In order for you to sign in, just go back on odesk.com platform, and then on the upper right corner of your screen you can just click the sign in button, and then you will be directed here. Okay, so um, when logging in, you will be asked the odesk will be asking for your username. So again, the username I've used is YouTube tutorials, and then my password. You can click this tiny box below so that odesk, or I mean your computer, will remember to log in you automatically when you open odesk. Okay, so just click it in and then click login. Okay, slow internet connection. Again, I am sorry. Okay, so basically this is how the odesk um this is how odesk platform looks like when once you're in. So on the upper part of your screen, you will find these tabs: find work, my jobs, reports, messages. So before discussing those tabs, let me just help you set up your profile. So right now, okay, so let us edit your profile, our profile. So let me just click this view my profile link, and then on the upper part of my screen, you'll find this edit my profile hyperlink. So okay, so first and foremost, you will be asked for a title. This title will basically sum up all the skills that you know. So for example, you are an SEO expert, or um you are a personal assistant, a virtual assistant. You can place it here. Like for example, you can write there something like professional SEO writer and virtual assistants. Well, virtual assistant rather, or a skilled link builder, and so on and so forth. If you're a designer, okay, just place it there. So these are very helpful so that clients looking for a contractor may be able to figure out what your skills are. They can also use these words to search for prospective contractors. For example, they are looking for an SEO writer. They can just there's this search box for intended for client accounts, wherein they can look for contractors who can deliver them their preferred tasks. So odesk base the search results on the skills and the title itself. Okay, so of course you have to add a picture. Unfortunately, I want to keep my personality secret because I am just not honest. I am honestly unsure rather. I am honestly not sure if odesk allows this type of tutorial. So just to protect my account and to protect my my persona, of course, my my personal information, let me just keep all the information provided as run I mean I let me just randomly provide information so that you may be able to still understand the how odesk works without sharing, of course, my personal information. And I hope that um, my choice will be respected. Although I am very much willing to guide you, even step by step guide you in order for you to ace your first job. Okay, so right now I just going back on the portrait, I just randomly uploaded a picture. Okay, so for the personal email, it's YouTube tutorial. Okay, for the hourly pay rate, okay, so honestly, the pay rate depends on your skills. If you are still new, well, of course you still need to build your your personality on oDesk. I mean, you have to prove that you are really capable to handle jobs on odesk.com. Well, unfortunately for newbies, although some may be really skilled enough, yet they are just new on oDesk, that will be a teeny weeny problem. I mean, of course, if you were a client, you'd rather hire someone who has, established their profile on oDesk, because in that way you will be certain that that person really is capable enough to deliver all your preferred tasks and so on and so forth. But for a newbie with no experience at all, there will be, of course, some downsides, some doubts that a client may be able to feel, because of course, again, there are no um there are no proofs of what they are really capable of doing. So, not that I am belittling newbies. I've been there. I've experienced all the problems, all the you know the I have received clients who are certainly unsure of what I really am capable of, although I really am good at something like blah blah and blah blah whatsoever. Anyway, on the hourly pay rate, being a newbie, it will be better if you will start at a low rate. Once you have established your profile, for example, you have received your first review, your first rating rather, let's say your client has given you a 5 star, then a 5 star can certainly help you ace better jobs with higher rates. So once you have already received your rating, you can just, adjust the hourly pay rate into something higher. Well, going back, there's this email from oDesk. I think that was sent yesterday or the other day, August. I'm not sure if it was sent last August 25, wherein oDesk alerted all freelancers that the minimum pay rate must be $3 per hour. Okay, $3 is not bad, especially if you're just working at home and the country you are in is not really that, not really that, um, you know, uh, not not really that expensive to live in. So basically, a $3 rate is certainly a good rate. So let us change this and follow the previous alert from oDesk. Okay, so okay, so wait. So if I'll be rating $3 per hour, 2 seconds. Okay, so let's say my rate is $3 per hour. My client will be charged $3. So the actual rate is 2.70, because oDesk charges a 10% fee to clients for every payment made. So just click save. Okay, so let me just continue this tutorial. Let me just make a part 3, because screencast is almost reaching I'm almost reaching the limit of screencast. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.